Namaste to all. I am your Sanskrit teacher, Narsimhan, taking class for 10th standard through digital mode. Morning, I started teaching to you first lesson, Suchi Paryavaranam. In the first sloka, we discussed morning first line. Now, we go with the second line of teaching to you. You can see on the screen. Some sound is coming, please. Sound is coming, please. Now see this line we are going to learn today. महानगर मध्ये चलद निशम कालायस चक्रम मनः शोषयत् तनु पेशयत् भ्रमति सदा वक्रम दशनैरमुनास्यान् जनग्रसनम शुचि पर्यावरणम. Some sound is coming. Please mute. Everybody mute. Everybody mute. Yes. Now it is clear. Okay. महानगर मध्ये चलद निशम कालायस चक्रम मनः शोषयत् तनु पेशयत् भ्रमति सदा वक्रम दुर्दान्तर्दशनैरमुना स्यान्नैव जनग्रसनं शुचि पर्यावरणम. This is the padacheda, the splitting of the word you see. Mahanagar madhye chalat anisham कालायस चक्रम मनः शोषयत् तनुः पेशयत् भ्रमति सदा वक्रम दुर्दान्तैः दशनैः अमुना स्यात् न एव जनग्रसनम. This is sloka here, which is given here in red color, written here. This is padacheda. Here, wherever sandhi is there, that you have to split and to write, that is called padacheda. Here, jalada nisham is there, jalat anisham. Kalayasa chakram is there. Everything are, these other things are easy. Syan naiva, syat na, syan naiva. Other words are easy for you. Now, go for some difficult word meanings. Wherever it is essential only, I will explain, and which is easy for you, that I will not discuss to you. You can go ahead for understanding by seeing on the screen. And I will not teach all the words here which is given, because which already you know. Wherever you need, that only I will teach you. Mahanagara madhye, Mahanagaranam madhye, in big city. Chalada nisham, chalat, paribhramati, means what? Roaming. Anisham, nirantaram, always. Kalayasa chakram, lauha chakram. Kalayasa means, iron based. Manaha chittam, mind. So some explanations are given, that is self-explanatory. You can learn by seeing on the screen. Because of these are the grammar point of view, that you can go ahead. We go to next slide. Soshayate. Soshayate means soshanam kurvati. What is the meaning of soshanam? No, it is shrink. Okay, making very less. Tanuhu shariram, body. Peshayate, pesharam kurvati means what? It is shrinking likewise. Bhramati, brahmadhatu, parasmai, brahmanam karoti, roaming. It is called brahmanam karoti, roaming. Sada, always. It is aviya shabda. Sarvasmin kale, all the timings. Vakram. Vakram means, bend, cross, tiryak, another word in Sanskrit. Durdantair dasanaihi. Durdantaihi plus dasanaihi. Durdanta dasanaihi means prabalaihi. Means what? Dukkena dantaha, durdantaha, pradisamasaha taihi. is a very strong manner, very difficult manner in the meaning. Then Dashanai Ramuna, Dashanaihi Amuna. Dashana means danta, teeth. Amuna, other shabda arthat anena chakrena. By this wheel or by this in the meaning. Shanneva, shat plus na, shanna. Shanneva, vritti sandhi. Shat asudhatu bhavet should be. Na, nishedhartakam avyayam. Stop in the meaning. Jana Janagrasanam, Janagrasan, Jananam, Grasanam. Shakti Tatpurusha, collecting of the people, the meaning. See the Anvaya. Totally 36 are there here joining. Anybody can talk with me? Are you able to hear? Any one of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mute. I continue. Just I want to confirm. अन्वय महानगर मध्ये अनिशं चलते कालायस चक्रं मनः शोषयत् तनुः पेशयत् सदा वक्रं भ्रमति अमुना चक्रेण दुर्दान्तैः दशनैः जनग्रसनं न एव स्यात् अन्वय means what, writing a shloka in a prose order, that is called Anvaya. Here one sentence is getting over Mahanagara Madhya Anisha up to Brahmati. Now this is second line. There are two lines this they have given. Now let us see the meaning of this sloka. Here Bhavavodhanam, it is question asked. This is for your homework purpose they have given you. By reading this question you can frame the answers after understanding this poem. Now we go with the Bhavartha of this sloka, which is very easy for you. I explained you a little bit, now I explained little bit more by seeing this Bhavartha. महानगरेषु निर्बाधगत्या यन्त्राणि यानानि च चलन्ति. See the meaning of this poem. In very big city, निर्बाधगत्या यन्त्राणि यानानि च चलन्ति. Without disturbing, there are lot of the machine that are running here. एतानि यन्त्राणि यानानि च मनसः शोषणं कुर्वन्ति, शरीरस्य पोषणं कुर्वन्ति, शरीरस्य पेषणं कुर्वन्ति, सर्वदा वक्रगत्या भ्रमन्ति, एतेषां यानानां चक्राणां च प्रबलैः दशनैः जनग्रसनं यथा न स्यात् तथा आचरणं करणीयम्, अतः कविः स्वच्छं वातावरणं प्रति गच्छेम इति वदति. Now the meaning of this sloka is here, without any kind of the disturbance, these all the machines are running here, and these all things are disturbing us. Sharirasya peshanam kurvanti, it is disturbing our body also. It is not good for the health. Sarvada vakragatya bhramanti. Sometimes what happens is all the things are creating more problem to our health. एतेषां यानानां चक्राणां च प्रबलैः दशनैः जनग्रसनं यथान्यस्य तथा आचरणं करणीयम्. If suppose they run any kind of the machines or factories over, these all things should not disturb us our day-to-day life here in the world. So that the poet says, Swachham Vatavaranam Prati Gacchema. That is the intention of this poet. Let us move towards that place where the place is always very good, beautiful, pollution free environment, wherever it is there, such kind of the place let us move. That is the meaning of this Bhavartha of this sloka, number one. So Suchi Paryavaranam, that is again it will come Suchi Paryavaranam. Let us search of Suchi Paryavaranam, we go like this. Okay, I hope you are understanding this poem number one. You have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, I will go for second poem.
No, sir.
Okay. Now the homework note down from this point number one, because I am going to close the screen. Another screen I will open now. Write this shloka number 1 in your homework sign and paste the picture of regarding with some factories are there. Likewise, or write some sentences about it and frame some 5 questions based on this and write the questions are given here. Already I uploaded it is, or otherwise I will make YouTube the same thing and I will send you again.
Sir,
WhatsApp I will send you back of this sloka. All the things. Okay, we go
sir,
to
no factory picture, sir.
tell me.
No factory picture, sir.
No problem. You write, draw some pictures, only outline. Some pictures are like factory, like you can companies, factories, or pollution, like something else. That is what. If
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
if pictures are not able,
Okay, sir.
no need to worry about it. You write some of the sentences taken from the Wikipedia about the factories and pollution, how they are making. Likewise, you can make it. There is no wrong in this. Okay. Now I will
Okay, sir.
close this screen. I will go open another screen. You wait for the same. Okay. Are you able to see? Are you able to see Dvitiya Bhagaha?
Yes,
Respond to me, any one of you?
yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Go with Suchi Paryavaranam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
From anywhere. Right. Next poem. Kachala malinam dhubam munchati tat sakatiyanam. Hello? Hello, sound is coming. Please mute.
Yes, sir.
Somebody is talking. Please mute. Okay. Now there is no sound. Very clear. Kachala malinam dhubam munchati shata sakatiyanam. Please mute. It is echo is coming to me. Somebody is opening. Don't talk. Okay. Okay, it's clear now. Vashpayanamala Sandhavati Vitaranti Dhwanam. Is disturbing to me and echo coming. Who is please mute. Yananam Panktayo Kyanantaha Katinam Samsmaranam Suchi Paryavaranam. Padachedaha Kajjala Malinam Dhumam. Are you able to hear anybody respond to me?
Sir.
Sir.
But are you getting
Yes, sir.
echo?
Yes, sir.
Now somebody is not muted. What I will do? You have to mute, please. There are 37 are joined here.
Somebody Lalit Aravinder, sir.
Please tell them. 17% nowadays in the lobby. 17%. Please mute. Now it is clear. I'm not getting echo. Are you getting echo?
Sir.
Are you getting
No, sir.
echo? Are you getting echo?
Sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. I continue. Please listen. Kajjala malinam dhumam munchati shatasakatiyanam bashpayana mala sandhavati vitaranti dhwanam yananam panktayaha hi anantaha katinam samsmaranam. Here, Next is after Padacheda, Pada Parichaya Bhavartha. See the word by word meaning. Kajjala Malinam. Kajjalam iva Malinam. Kajjalam means what? You know, it is in black color, polluted. Okay. That is called Kajjalam. ஏன்னா கருப்பு மை மாதிரி அப்படி வச்சுக்கோ தமிழ்ல. Okay. Dhumam. Dhumam. Munchati. Dhuma is, you know, the pugai, smoke. Okay. Munchati. Tyajati. Shatasakatiyanam. Artha Shatasaha Yanani. Means what, you know, number of vehicles. நிறைய வண்டி போகுது, அதனால நிறைய சக்கட்டா, அதனால என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா நிறைய புகை மண்டலமா இருக்கு. பாஷ்பயான மாலா. Relayananam Pankti. What is that? The group of trains are, very number of trains are moving. Lot of trains are moving. Sandhavati, Dhavanti Asti, Chalati, it is moving. Then Vitaranti, Vitaranam Kurvati, means what? Spreading, moving. Here explanations are given. You can learn because I am taking online class. I cannot explain more because it is recording time. We may not able to get in. Whatever explanations are given, it is a grammar portion only. You can read and understand by own. And I will discuss only the Pada Parichaya, Bhavartha, meaning for the words, Sanskrit to understand. Sometimes meaning for English, which it is required. I will explain to you. Dvanam, Kolalam, Shabdam, Saddam Mandradhe, sound making, Yananam, Vahananam, vehicles, Pantayaha, Avalayaha. Panti means now Varisya. Nariya Vandi Varisya Poiter. He is only Anantaha, Bahavaha, many. Katinam, Dustaram, very difficult. Then Samsmaranam, Vicharanam. Okay, Vicharanam is thinking, mixing like this. Look at the board of Anvaya. Shatasakatiyanam Kachala Malinam Dhumam Munchati Bashpayanamala Dwadam Vitaranti Sandhavati Yananam hi Anantaha Panktayaha Santi Samsvaranam Katinam Asti. Shatasakatiyanam Kachala Malinam Dhumam Munchati. But you know, there are number of vehicles are releasing the smoke. By that, the entire place is polluted with everywhere else because of this smoke spreading. அப்ப நிறைய வண்டி போறதுனால என்ன ஆகுது உனக்கு? எல்லா இடத்துலயும் ரொம்ப கருப்பா புகை மண்டலமா இருக்கு. பாஷ்பயான மாலா துவாரம் விதரந்தி சந்தாவதி. பாஷ்பயான மாலா, ரயில் ட்ரெயின் எல்லாம் வரிசையா போறதுனால அதுல இருந்து வர பொல்யூஷன். யானானாமி அனந்தாக பங்கையா சந்தி. அது மாத்திரம் இல்லாம காரு, பஸ், ட்ரெயின், many are things are moving. Samsmaranam katinam. So these all the things what happen, vicharanam moving. So, moving of this in the world, this is very difficult. That is what is the meaning of this. Asmin loke sarvatra yananam panktayaha santi tatra yanebhyaha dhumam nissarati tena kim bhavishyati sarvatra vatavaranam shuddham na bhavati. Rela yananam sarvatra yanena sarvatra शुद्धम पर्यावरणम न भवति. यानानां पंक्तयः सन्ति अतः शुचि पर्यावरणम आवश्यकं भवति. कवि चिन्तयति स्वमनसि एतत् त्यक्त्वा सर्व अन्यत्र कुत्रापि गन्तव्यं यत्र यस्मिन् स्थले वातावरणं शुद्धम् अस्ति तत्र गन्तव्यम् इति कविः चिन्तयति स्वमनसि. तदेव शुचि पर्यावरणम् अस्ति. This is what the second sloka meaning of this. Bhavartha is given and explaining you little bit more. Sadadikani yanani kajjalam iva malinam dhumam tyajanti rela yanani samyak kolalam kurvanti dhavanti santi yanana manantaha panktaya drishyamanaha santi मनुष्याणां मार्गे विचरणं गमनं च क्लेशकरम् अस्ति अतः स्वच्छं पर्यावरणम् अस्ति मनुष्याणां मार्गे विचरणं गमनं च क्लेशकरम् अस्ति अतः स्वच्छं पर्यावरणं प्रति गच्छामः. So by this saying this Bhavartha you will understand very clearly. It is self-explanatory. The Bhavartha is given over here. Children, are you able to hear?
Sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now I give you homework from this. 15 are there still now, participants. So note down homework from this sloka number 2. Write this sloka in your homework side. And after writing this sloka, Padacheda will come. See, this is what? Padacheda. After writing sloka, second step is writing of Padacheda. Then third step is writing of Anvaya. I will send you this Anvaya. Then fourth step is writing of Bhavartha, meaning of this sloka. And fifth step is some framing questions and answer. Munchati padasya kaha arthaha. Munchati padasya tyajati ityartha. See, they themselves are given question and answer. So write some 10 question answers and write some few sabdarthas, say for 5 words. That is in homework side, which is very difficult you feel for those words. So these are the things you have to complete for writing of homework from this sloka. Are you able to hear?
Sir.
Okay. Then, so by this sloka number 2 is over. Now we go with sloka number 3. Please take your sloka number 3. Echo is coming. Somebody is opening.
Sir, sir.
Echo is coming to me. Please mute.
Sir, more echo, sir.
Are? Huh? Please mute. Okay, it's clear now. Shall I go with the second poem? Are you able to see this poem now? Vayu Mandalam Brisam. Any one of you respond to me? Yes, sir, like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now. Just what I said, because I'm recording here. So you need not to talk much more unless I ask you. Please mute. Somebody is now joined one person, I don't know. He may be not showing he or she. Please mute. In your device, you have to make mute, then only echo may not come. Now it is clear. Okay, good. We continue with point number 3. Vayu Mandalam Brisam Dushitam Dahi Nirmalam Jalam Kutsita Vastu Mishritam Bhaksham Samalam Dharatalam Karaniyam Bahirantar Jagatitu Bahu Shuddhi Karanam Suchi Paryavarnam. This is sloka number 3. Now, as usual, we go with Padacheda. See, students, in Sanskrit, learning of sloka method is 1 minute, right? Yes, it is. Recording is on the way. Sloka reading of Sanskrit is Akekada.
Kekadu, sir.
Okay. In Sanskrit language, reading of the sloka fast method. Second is somebody is disturbing. Please don't talk. Please mute and listen. In Sanskrit, what happened? Step 1 is read the sloka. Step 2 is Padacheda. பதச்சேதம்ன்றது சந்தி எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு படிக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் பதச்சேதம். வேர்டு பை வேர்டு ஸ்பிளிட் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். ஏன்னா இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே சேர்ந்து கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. அதனால split the word and you are able to read. That is the step number 2. You can see on the board. I hope the words are very easy. You can note down very easily. Vayumandalam, Brisam, Dushitam, Na, Hi, Nirmalam, Jalam. Kutsita Vastu Mishritam, ஒரே word. பக்ஷம் சமலம். இங்க பாரு, பக்ஷம் மேல புள்ளி இருக்கு, இங்க கீழே இம்முன்னு எழுதியிருக்காங்க. சமலம் மேல டாட் இருக்கு, இங்க இம்முன்னு எழுதியிருக்காங்க. தராதலம் கரணீயம் மேல புள்ளி இருக்கும், இங்க கீழே. இதனால தான் ஸ்பிளிட்டிங் ஆஃப் த வேர்ட். பகிஹி இங்க இருக்கு, சந்தி இருக்கு பாருங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
பகிர் அந்தர் ஜகதி, பகிஹி அந்தர் ஜகதி. தூ பஹு சுத்திகரணம். சுச்சி பரியாவரணம் will repeat again, it will come. So padacheda. Now see that next step is after padacheda we must learn anvaya. இங்க அன்வயா இருக்கு பாருங்க. ஹி வாயுமண்டலம் விஷம் தூஷிதம் அஸ்தி, நிர்மலம் ஜலம் ந அஸ்தி, குத்சித வஸ்து மிஸ்ரிதம் பக்ஷ்யம் அஸ்தி, சமலம் தராதலம் அஸ்தி, பகி அந்தஹ ஜகதி தூ பஹு சுத்திகரணம் கரணீயம் அஸ்தி. இங்க பாருங்க, அன்வயத்துல என்ன விஷயம்னா ரைட்டிங் ஆஃப் தி அன்வய இஸ் இன் ப்ரோஸ் ஆர்டர். இப்ப ஸ்லோகத்துல என்ன ஆகும்னா எல்லா வேர்டும் ஜம்ப் ஆயிருக்கும். அன்வயம் வரும்போது சப்ஜெக்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வர்பு இந்த மெத்தட்ல கரெக்டா இருக்கும். ஸ்லோகத்துல அப்படி இருக்காது. தட் இஸ் த டிஃபரன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் தி ஸ்லோகா அண்ட் அன்வயா. ஸ்லோகம் படிச்சு புரிஞ்சுக்கிறது கஷ்டம். அதனால ஸ்லோகத்தை என்ன பண்ணணும், அன்வயமா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி படிக்கணும். எவ்ரிபடி நோஸ் தமிழ், ஐ திங்க் சோ. Please respond to me.
தெரியும் சார்.
Okay.
தெரியும் சார். நோ சார்.
If anybody is feeling difficulty not understanding Tamil, they can you please mute. Don't unmute. Somebody yaro mute release பண்ணிட்டாங்க. Now clear. So you please listen. If you want to talk, you have to remove பண்ணிட்டு பேசணும். உடனே mute பண்ணணும். Okay. So if suppose anybody is feeling difficulty not understanding Tamil, they can tell, because learning in Tamil also we are very happy. Tamil படிச்சீங்கன்னா தமிழ்ல படிக்கிறதுனால உங்களுக்கு நல்லா புரியும். அதனால you need not to worry about it. Sometimes I will teach you in Tamil also to understand very easy manner. All our Tamil students are able to understand Tamil language except one or two. I understand it. So there is no problem for you. Listen. What if Vayumandalam Visam, I was explaining to you the difference between the Anvaya and the Shloka. ஸ்லோகத்திலிருந்து அன்வயம் பண்ணதுனால ப்ரோஸ் ஆர்டர்ல எழுதுறது. ப்ரோஸ் ஆர்டர்ல எழுதுறதுனால என்ன நமக்கு ஒரு பெனிஃபிட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, அது சென்டென்ஸ் வைஸ் இருக்கும். சப்ஜெக்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வர்பு இந்த மெத்தட்ல. அப்ப நமக்கு ஈஸியா புரியும், புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். அதனாலதான் இங்க இந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Now see, ki vayumandalam visham dushitam asti, ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ். செகண்ட் லைன் நிர்மலம் ஜலம் நாஸ்தி, தேர்ட் லைன் குத்சித வஸ்து மிஸ்ரிதம் பக்ஷ்யம் அஸ்தி, தேர்ட் லைன் சமலம் தராதலம் அஸ்தி, பகி அந்த ஜகதி து பஹு சுத்திகரணம் கரணீயம் அஸ்தி. என்ன சொல்ல வராங்க? அன்வயம். இது அன்வயம். இதுல ஒன்றும் மீனிங் சொல்றதுக்கு இல்லை. பாவார்த்தத்துல will explain. பாவார்த்தம் பாரு வந்துச்சு. ஏதத் வாயு மண்டலம் சப்தார்த்தா you have to see before பாவார்த்தா. Some difficult words you have to know. வாயுமண்டலம் வாதாவரணம். Brisham, வாயுமண்டலம் means this outside environment. Brisham atishaya, dushitam pradushitam, remove nasti, nirmalam swacham jalam, neeram water, another one. Kuchita vastu misritam, abhojya vastubihi samsitam. இங்கெல்லாம் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். அபோஜ்ய வஸ்துனா குச்சித்தன வஸ்து திங்ஸ், மிஸ்ரிதம் மிக்ஸ்டு. என்னன்னா எதெல்லாம் வேஸ்டோ நல்லா இல்லையோ அதெல்லாம் மிக்ஸ் ஆகி இருக்குதுன்னு அர்த்தம். பக்ஷம் போக்தும் யோக்யம், ஏபிள் டு ஈட். சமலம் மலயுக்தம் அப்படின்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? மலையில சகவித்தியதே சமலம். பௌரிவி சமாஸ் வெரி வஸ்ட்னு அர்த்தம். Somebody is coming here. I admitted. I don't know who is that. I have given admit. Who has joined now? Please give attendance. Tell me I am present, sir.
சார் யாருமே இல்ல சார்.
வேற வந்தாங்க. I have given admission. Okay.
10th D boy sir, 10th D.
Right, 10th D, sir.
10th D. Okay, okay. Who is that?
கொஞ்சம் நெட்வொர்க் ப்ராப்ளம் சார்.
Okay, okay, no problem. Mute பண்ணிக்கோ இல்லனா டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ்.
ஓகே சார்.
Very good. Okay, mute. Please listen. Gopika, you all are able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
You are able to see my face?
Yes, sir.
All students,
Thank you, sir.
all students are able to see my face?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார்.
சரி mute பண்ணுங்க.
சார், எஸ் சார்.
Continue.
Yes, sir.
Echo வருது, please mute. Okay. Bhaksham bhoktum yogyam. Dharatalam prithvi. Prithvi means earth. Karaniyam kartavyam should do. Bahirantar jagati. Bahihi antaha jagati visarga santi. Appo bahihi bahir bhagaha outside. Outside of the area. Veliye. Antaha inside. Jagati samsare in the world. தூன்றது அவ்விய சப்தம். அது அவ்வியம்னா பெர்மனண்டா அப்படியே இருக்கும். அதுக்கு சப்தம் தாத்து கிடையாது. அது ஏகவச்சனம், தீவச்சனம், பகுவச்சனம்லாம் கிடையாது. அதுக்கு பேரு அவ்வியம். பகுவும் அப்படிதான். அதுக்கு ஏகவச்சனம் பகுவச்சனம் கிடையாது. பகு பாவஹா அப்படிலாம் வராது. அதிகம்னு அர்த்தம், மோர்னு அர்த்தம். சுத்திகரணம், சச்சீகரணம். அப்போ கிளீன் ஆஃப் தி பிளேஸ். அன்வயம் பாரு. அது அன்வயம் சொல்லிட்டு உங்களுக்கு பாவார்த்தம் பாரு. Now look at the board on the screen. 15 are there here. एतत् वायुमण्डलम् अत्यन्तं दूषितं जातम् अस्ति. अधुना महानगरेषु स्वच्छं निर्मलं जलं तु न दृश्यते एव. रसायनादीनां मिश्रणेन भोज्यपदार्थाः अपि नष्टाः जाताः सन्ति. पुनश्च धरातले सर्वत्र मलिनता दृश्यते. अधुना अंतःकरणस्य बहिर्जगतः च शुद्धीकरणस्य अत्यन्तम् आवश्यकता अस्ति. நான் படிக்கிறதுலே கொஞ்சம் மீனிங் புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். இருந்தாலும் I will explain to you. एतत् वायुमण्डलम् अत्यन्तं दूषितं जातम् अस्ति. The environment, entire environment, what happened, you know, प्रदूषितं, दूषितं, polluted. இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் நிறைய வண்டி, நிறைய ட்ரெயின், பஸ், கார் இதெல்லாம் ஸ்மோக் வர்றதுனால என்ன ஆகுது? இடம் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப ஒஸ்டா பொல்யூட்டடா. அதுனா மகாநகரேஷு ஸ்வச்சம் நிர்மலம் ஜலம் து ந திஷ்யதே. Nowadays we cannot able to see in the city only. We are not talking about city only. Village எல்லாம் இன்னும் அவ்வளோ பொல்யூட் ஆகல. But city only we are talking. And what happens in the மகாநகரேஷு ஜலம் து ந திஷ்யதே நிர்மலம். இங்க வாட்டர்லாம் பியூர் வாட்டரே பார்க்க முடியறது இல்ல. We are not able to see the pure water. रसायनादीनां मिश्रणेन भोज्यपदार्थाः अपि नष्टाः जाताः सन्ति. The chemical, the factories எல்லாம் என்ன பண்றாங்க? They are making the waste, they are putting outside. அதனால ரிவர்ல, ஓஷன்ல எல்லாத்தையும் மிக்ஸ் ஆகும். அதனால என்ன ஆகுது? Whatever the near to the agriculture land, the people they make with the water, அது எல்லாமே whatever the product we are getting, எல்லாமே என்ன அது it is mixed with this chemical. So whatever the factory, the waste they are throwing in the river or lake or pond, wherever the people are using through that, and we are not able to use for eating purpose. Punascha dharatale sarvatra malinata drishyate. Again what happens? This entire earth, everything are totally it is waste, very dirty. अधुना अंतःकरणस्य बहिर्जगतः च शुद्धीकरणस्य अत्यन्तम् आवश्यकता अस्ति. By this what happens? It is our moral responsibility as outside of the house or inside of the house or wherever, everywhere else, and cleaning is our moral responsibility. शुद्धीकरणस्य अत्यन्तम् आवश्यकता अस्ति. It is our duty for very cleaning area is very, very important. That is what our Prime Minister and our Prime Minister, they launched one project is that Clean India. Okay, Swachha Bharat. This is what based on this lesson is focusing. So we are completed by this sloka. This is the Shloka number 3 we completed. Please note down the homework from this lesson. We have
Sir,
started
கேட்கல
this
sir.
class. 35 minutes are over. 5 more minutes is there. We will run the class up to 40 minutes. Okay? Please note down the homework. As usual, from this shloka number 3, write the shloka number 1. Number 2, again, write after writing the shloka padacheda. Are you able to see here? Then, after writing this shloka padacheda, third point is write shloka anvaya. Then, after writing this shloka anvaya, write some pada meaning of the words. Not for all the things you write 4 or 5 words, that is enough. Then very important, bhavartha, meaning of the sloka in Sanskrit. Then some of the question answers from this. See, they are asking you, Vayu Mandalam Kidisham Abhavate. One of you can say the answer to me by saying this word. Shall I tell the name? That person will tell. It is very easy. COVID, say the answer for first one. I am showing here on the cursor. Vayu Mandalam Kidisham Abhavat. Tell me the answer.
वायुमण्डलं दूषितम् अभवत्.
Very good. Next question. Iyal. Jalam Kidisham Asti. Tell me. Answer is here. I am showing you.
Jalam Malunam Asti.
Malinam Asti. Say.
Jalam Malinam Asti.
Malinam Asti. Say.
Jalam Malinam Asti.
You pronounce as Malinam. Don't say Malinam. Say me again.
Jalam Malinam Asti.
Good. Next question. I will ask to person. Mahavidya is here, I think so. She can try for this. Dharatalam Kidisham Asti. Answer is here. See on the board. Tell me. This is the question to Mahavidya. I think she is not responding. Here, Nitya is there. Nitya can try. Dharatalam Kidisham Asti.
Dharatalam malinam asti.
Very good. Where is your friend Shriya? Is joined or not?
I called her, sir. She said she's in some other class.
Okay, good. Very good. Next question. Can I ask somebody else who is on the board here? I don't know because you all are. William is there. William, will you try? William? Not telling. Laksha is there. Laksha, will you try? Laksha is here.
Yes, sir.
Tell me this question. I ask you, Kim, last question. I'm showing the cursor over on that. Kim Bhagihi Jagati Eva Shuddhi Karanam Karaniyam. Answer is here. You can see board slowly. Read and tell me the answer.
न
Jagati
अन्तर्गन्ति अपि शुद्धिकरणं करणीयम्.
Karaniyam. Good. Very good. So likewise, 4 or 5 questions you can all write. You all are told me. Some of them are told. So this is the method you can complete writing of this. So we conclude by this our session. Shloka number 3 I completed today. Now I am going to end of this session. Before ending, I give you some instructions. Please listen. I am going to send this through video also to you all. You can listen, and tomorrow you can submit to me homework from this, whatever I have given you in your homework side. You all are, again I remind you, you all are asked to make 2 notebooks. one notebook for classwork, another notebook for homework. In classwork side, you have to write only a exercise of the lesson. In homework side, you have to write whatever I am giving you homework from this. And after writing 1 or 2 pages of this homework, you can take photo and to send to me through the WhatsApp. Then any doubts, any clarification, you can contact through the WhatsApp, sending to me the message. Okay?
Sir,
Yes. Any doubts, you can ask to me, and because I'm going to conclude the session now, I'm going to end of the meeting. Anybody is having doubts?
sir, tomorrow which time, sir?
I will put in the WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mostly morning
Okay.
around 11 o'clock it will be there. 10 or 11.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anybody
sir.
has
Thank you,
doubts?
sir.
I'm going to end of the
Yeah.
session now. It is
Thank
your
you,
time. Huh?
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Dhanyavad, Sriman.
Dhanyavada. Now I'm going to. Yes.
So for all the
Ah.
slokas, we have to write Anuvada, Bhavena questions. Sir.
Our every sloka, you write a sloka, padacheta, anmaya, shabdartha, bhavartha, 4 questions. For every sloka you have to do. I'm teaching per day 1 or 2 sloka only. You can do it. For this month portion is only 2 lessons for you all. So I will slowly complete these 2 slokas daily, taking 1 hour class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Stay safe and be happy in your home. Don't go outside. I am your Sanskrit teacher, Kendra Vidyalaya, Annanagar, taking class through digital mode. And regarding any other instruction, it will be sent to you through on the WhatsApp. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad, sir.
Dhanyavad.